Unong ilam jong kaliang Pyrshah au berdeiru unong Takraiñ negaseng Trinamool Congress u Dr. Mukul Sangma ula kento ting e Pyrshah ai Sorkar Jylla nakadaw kam long kabashai hakabedei bakajing penbet tik patik ya kapisa pilain hakaba ula keno ru bakalala bandon daki weipat kijing temu na lendat naduk kabasdang. Ula ong baha kapo ba udang long menteri dang ba ka Jylla badai pej ya katnat platingka uju pej baha ya kidak kishin kum ka debt to the gross state domestic product and a GSDP ratio. Kat kum ka jing tu jong u kini kidai kidak kishin ki badon kam ban pelong kum kitong.
Target set, because earlier during our time, before the amendment of the FRBM Act, there was an amendment. Subsequent amendment was resorted to by the present government also. And that is what I'm saying. They have amended certain portion in order to create these provisions for them to borrow more. So they say that, oh, it is allowed, it is allowed. I'm telling you, both government of India have also, to a great extent, have not examined it properly and have agreed. That's why they pick it right on the government of India sometimes. But fiscal discipline is a fiscal discipline. If there is a deviation from fiscal discipline, it doesn't mean that only state government may be deviating from the fiscal discipline. It may be union government also who is also deviating from the fiscal discipline.
KHASI Riboy District